Axalta's Cosmetic Car Repair is an exciting new market opportunity for your dealership. A fully integrated, customer-centric offering, Cosmetic Car Repair enhances your after-sales proposition. Cosmetic Car Repair focuses on reducing used car refurbishment costs. It can also offer customers an alternative to costly insurance claims. This economical paint repair system delivers a cost-effective solution for minor exterior cosmetic damage using menu-based, fixed-cost pricing while minimising the need for replacement parts. With in-scope damage requiring no more than 4 hours of labour, the vehicle servicing and cosmetic repair can be completed on-site in 1 day, enhancing the customer experience and building on customer loyalty. For dealerships, the opportunities are endless. The system is a solutions-based model and is customisable to suit your needs. Axalta's Cosmetic Car Repair is a unique option that will set you apart from your competitors, giving you complete control and placing you in the driver's seat to choose the direction you take. Using AutoPad, our menu-based estimating software package, your team can price the damage from any mobile or tablet device at any location. Simple and accurate estimates and images can be created and instantly approved by the customer, with work orders immediately sent to your technicians. AutoPad also has the capability to connect directly to your dealer management system to reduce double entry of customer and vehicle details. Axalta is here to assist you with every step, providing a complete installation and training package covering cosmetic repair estimating, colour retrieval, and technical application processes. The Axalta team is ready to provide you with the tools and support you need to embark on this exciting new opportunity. Get started today.